I'm Vinny, and I'm going to teach you how to operate a camp stove. The model is a Coleman 25. I will begin now. These are the wind shields, so that the fire does not go out by the wind. They go in holes on the sides, as you will show them. Actually, Emma, I can't do these yet. This is the fuel tank. This one comes out a little bit weirder than most. Comes out like that. You're going to want to put a little bit of fuel in through this nozzle. And then the fuel you're going to put into it is Coleman fuel for gasoline camping. You cannot use regular gas or diesel because it's a different type. On this one, you're going to want to hold it sideways when you pour it in there with with this on there. Just put a little bit in there, depending on how much you're gonna use it. If you're gonna use it a lot, put more than I did in there. If you aren't gonna use it that much, you don't really need to. Set this off to the side. Then the fuel tank goes in right here. So you put down the lock and the handle, carrying handle, and there's these little hangers that it goes in. The next thing you want to do is flip this lever up, because that allows it to send fuel over to the burners. After that, you take the fuel plunger and since it's already locked, since the last time you turned it to the right, you turn it to the left so that it works. It's going up and down. So you can feel a little bit of pressure. Then you turn it to the right and you're done. Next is the fuel valve. Turn the fuel valve all the way to the left. Then you get your lighter, or torch in my case, and you light it. Then we're going to wait about a minute to
Keep your fuel out of the way.
We're going to wait about a minute, and at this time I will talk to you about the model of it. So, most of the time it'll have instructions on it, but it won't go over everything. As you can see right here, it goes over the main instructions of it, but that's not it. You can probably look on other videos to see everything, but I'm just going to go over the basic parts of it. So, I'd say it's been about a minute at this point, so after turning it on, so I'm going to turn this lever down, and then off to the side right here, this is the second burner. So you turn it to the left until it turns on. So all the way. After I'm finished, I forgot to say that when you're using the fuel tank, if the fire starts to die down or your food isn't cooking as well, you can repump the air pressure back into the fuel tank so it works better. That concludes my video.